on? Hello, PeaPea. PeaPea, choose a dish, please. I wonder what two dishes PeaPea will choose. Wow! PeaPea has 2 plates of Oreo cookies. That's so nice. Oh my gosh! PeaPea is eating too many cookies at once. He's turning into an Oreo. John, PeaPea hasn't finished eating the Oreo yet. John brings PeaPea 2 blue and pink popsicles. PeaPea loves them. It's not okay. PeaPea is about to freeze now. Wow! This time, PeaPea receives a giant popsicle. Awesome! Where are the PeaPea brothers going? Look! Those are giant candy boxes. Baby, sit here nicely. PeaPea is filling the truck with candy. Oh no! Baby drove the truck away. What should PeaPea do? The truck hit a rock and the candy spilled out. PeaPea sped up and caught up with the truck. Phew! PeaPea managed to get Baby back. PeaPea is exhausted. The 2 siblings PeaPea were playing with Lego blocks together. They looked very happy. Oh no! Where has PeaPea's little brother gone? The police officer quickly came to help PeaPea find his brother. PeaPea just trusts the police. First, they'll post missing flyers everywhere, and then they'll split up in different directions to search for the little brother. PeaPea is trying to search diligently, not leaving any corner unchecked. Look! There's something inside this can. Turns out it was the police officer. PeaPea was mistaken. The policeman discovered someone's legs. both trying hard to find it, but they're really clumsy. What's over there? Look! It's PeaPea's little brother! How joyful! PeaPea's little brother has returned.
Wow! PeaPea has so many colorful jelly candies! Oh no! John is coming! He has to hide the candy. The candy is all hidden under PeaPea's secret room. PeaPea successfully hid from John. He's feeling pretty smug. Now PeaPea can enjoy his candy in peace. PeaPea is eating candy with Coke? That's something new. PeaPea will try eating candy with other spices. He's mixed the candy with all the spices and Coke. PeaPea is putting the candy in the oven to heat it up. Oh no! Wow! The PeaPea brothers have so much soda jelly! Let's enjoy this delicious jelly together! This orange jelly is so tasty! Maybe PeaPea loves it! Ew! Oh no! PeaPea ate all the jelly! He's so greedy! PeaPea didn't leave any jelly for his little brother, and now the baby is crying! Look! PeaPea is making jelly for his little brother! PeaPea looks so silly! Oh! This red jelly is delicious! Baby wants to try the blue jelly too! No! This jelly is too big! Hey, boss! PeaPea is here! So PeaPea missed the school bus. PeaPea quickly urged Red to drive quickly because he was late. I have to lower the air conditioner temperature. PeaPea is too hot. bus was so hot that PeaPea melted. Red turned into a fan to cool PeaPea down, but PeaPea doesn't need it. It's so frustrating! This bus is so comfortable! PeaPea loves it! It's not okay. The temperature is getting lower and lower. PeaPea is about to freeze. Moving to another bus, Yellow serves PeaPea very attentively. Oh no! How does Yellow drive? PeaPea is about to fall out. PeaPea will never take these 3 school buses again. PeaPea is watching a video on how to make a DIY bus. Let's get to work right away. The cardboard box fell, causing soda cans to scatter everywhere. First, PeaPea will crush these soda cans. Then he cuts the cans into separate pieces. Now, just assemble the pieces together and it's done! Still need to add the wheels! Ta-da! It's done! PeaPea can't see Boom anywhere, so we have to go find him. Why can't this door be opened? Oh, so PeaPea must win this game to open the door. Success! Oh no, there's a giant hand! So scary! Thought PeaPea had outsmarted the giant hand, but he fell into a trap. Boom, don't worry! PeaPea is here! crocodile is guarding the door. How can the two brothers get through now? Oh no! Boom woke up the crocodile! Run quickly! The two brothers finally escaped! Boom, don't go out alone anymore. Who dropped the big ice cream on the floor? So it's Big Ear. He quickly ate his entire ice cream stick. PeaPea can't take it anymore. He's going to bring Big Ear back. Let's go! PeaPea deliberately uses an eraser to block PeaPea's path. Big Ear is sleeping soundly. PeaPea deliberately transforms into an ice cream to lure Big Ear. Oh no! Big Ear is so naughty. Stop now! PeaPea finally got the ice cream. Thief Ray is sneaking into PeaPea's farm. This watermelon is too big for Ray to pick. PeaPea couldn't help but laugh at Ray's silliness. Watch how PeaPea harvests the watermelon, Ray! And now the watermelon is in the trunk. Ray managed to steal the watermelon.
Oh no!
PeaPea has to go catch Thief Ray! Haha, Ray fell into PeaPea's trap.
PeaPea feels so hot. Invite PeaPea into the ice room. Great! This bathroom is so cold. feels very comfortable. The cool blue water makes PeaPea want to jump in and take a bath right away. Uh-oh. The water is too cold and PeaPea is freezing. The ice layer is too thick and PeaPea can't get out of the bathtub. John, wait there! Hope the fire room will quickly melt the ice. Finally, PeaPea can get out now. It's too hot! PeaPea has to leave this room. PeaPea and Red are not willing to share candies with each other. Stop it! Both are trying their best, but they can't open the door. Oh, there's a key over there. PeaPea can't reach the key. They must support each other. Got it! Both of them are trying to find the right puzzle piece to open that door. Red, give PeaPea a hand. Let's go. Red, be careful. Oh no. PeaPea and Big Ear are playing hide and seek. Which room will Big Ear hide in? He chooses the Captain America room. PeaPea can't find Big Ear anywhere. Hello? Where are you, Big Ear? Big Ear sneaked outside, and PeaPea still has no clue. Found you! In the second round, Big Ear decides to hide in the Spider-Man room. Oh! PeaPea sees giant ears behind the sofa. Oh no! Where did Big Ear go? It's confusing. Oh no!
John is controlling an army of four-colored crocodile dentists towards PeaPea. When PeaPea wakes up, he is extremely scared. He has to jump high to avoid the crocodile dentist army. At this moment, John commanded the crocodile army to turn back. John fills the crocodile's mouths with M&M candies, then directs them towards PeaPea. Immediately, PeaPea is awakened by the scent of M&M candies. PeaPea goes to the yellow crocodile to get the candy, but at that moment, John directs the crocodile to close its mouth. PeaPea comes up with a way to get the M&M candies. He turns into a round ball and rolls next to the crocodiles. PeaPea is enjoying the delicious M&M candies when John returns. John realized it's PeaPea and is extremely angry. Oh no! PeaPea is surrounded by crocodiles. It won't be easy to escape, PeaPea. Run fast, PeaPea.